Hello friends, I'm Meghna. In this video, I'm going to show you another set of exercises for your weight loss journey. So, let's begin. Now let's start downward facing dog to plank floor. Let's know some benefits. Planks works on your upper body, abs, glutes and your legs, while downward facing dog stretches your hamstring and your back. Common mistake people generally do. Make sure you don't collapse your lower back, hyperextend your legs. Keep doing 5 more seconds. Now relax for 10 seconds. Now let's do downward dog walk up. Start in forward fold and walk your hand in front of you until you arrive in plank. This exercise stretches the hips, hamstring and calves. Keeps your spine strong and flexible. Plank works on your upper body. Keep moving. Now relax for 10 seconds. Now get ready for animal flow. Animal flow, loading and unloading beast. It is the full body mobilizing movement. Here you are engaging your core and abdominal muscles in the same way you do in plank. Keep moving 10 more seconds, 5 more seconds. Now relax for 10 seconds. Now get ready for plank knee to elbow. It is an excellent combination of cardio and strength training. It is ultimate weight loss exercise that you need. Beginners can scale down by taking your knees to your chest. Keep moving, 5 more seconds. Now relax for 10 seconds. Now get ready for dynamic alternate side plank. It strengthens the muscles in your shoulders, hip and sides of your core. It protects your spine. Plank is one of the best calorie burning exercise. Not just burning the fat around your abdomen area, they also work by giving you an improved posture, flexibility as well as tighten your tummy. Now rest for 10 seconds. Now get ready for half push-ups. It targets your chest, ab region, lower back, shoulders and triceps. Few common mistakes while doing push-ups. Keep your spine straight and move your chest close to your palm. Keep doing 5 more seconds. Now breathe, relax for 10 seconds. Now get ready for Sumo Squats. Stand with your feet wider than hip width apart. This pose strengthens your glutes, hip, hamstring and calf muscles with an extra focus on your inner thigh. Keep doing 10 more seconds. Last few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now rest for 10 seconds. Now get ready for reverse boat. This exercise stretches the muscles of your arms, legs, chest and abdomen. Engage your core and try to lift yourself. Keep pushing yourself, you're almost there. Last few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest and breathe. Coming up next, dynamic tabletop. This pose strengthens your core and arm muscles, stretches and strengthens your back muscles, lengthening your spine and improve your posture. Try to fully stretch your leg. Just few more seconds. Now rest and relax for 10 seconds. Coming up next, dynamic boat. This movement strengthens the abdominal muscles. It strengthens the muscles of your arms, thighs, shoulders and core. Keep your energy levels high and keep breathing. 10 more seconds. Just a step close to victory. Now rest and relax for 10 seconds. Now get ready for sit-ups. This exercise strengthens, tightens and tones the abdominal muscles and increase flexibility. Beginners can start with scaled down version. Keep pushing hard. Few more seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now rest. Relax for 10 seconds. Now get ready for dynamic shoulder stand. This flow improves the strength and flexibility to your hip and lower back. Also activate your core muscles. Keep your legs straight and engage your core. Try to lift your hip more. Keep breathing. Few more seconds. And rest. Relax. Stay there and let's do cooling practice. Lie down on your back. Hug your both the knees. Inhale, head up. Exhale down. Inhale, head up. Exhale down. Now bring your both the knees to the side and turn your head to the opposite side. Now change the side. It allows your heart rate to return to normal, prevent muscle soreness and improve relaxation. Now stretch your leg and rest to Shavasana. Keep your eyes closed and relax your whole body. Now breathe naturally. Hold this pose for 5 to 7 minutes. Namaste. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep practicing and share your experience. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and share. Thank you.